All right, Drew Sports Cards here. We're doing a box of 2017 Topps Chrome Baseball. Jumbo Divisional. This is Divisional number 22. 22. Good luck. Julio Urias. Matt Carpenter, purple. Bread and belt. Purple refractor. 230 of 299. Nomar Mazera. Of this NL West. We got Alex Bregman, Astros, Ender Inciarte, Braves. First autograph for the Astros. Teoscar Hernandez, AL West. That is Grocery Stick. John. Jacoby Jones, David Price, Jarrell Cotton, Xander Bogaerts, Carlos Correa, Albert Pujols, Trevor Story, Xander Bogaerts, Jorge Alfaro, then and now Kyle Seager, Wilson Contreras. Corey Seager, Andrew McCutchen, and very nice for the Dodgers. Not a Bellinger. How about a Corey Seager? That is red auto to 5. 5 of 5. Very nice. Homarv. Nice one there, man. Corey Seager to 5. Congrats, congrats. If I get you a mag, I just got to put the penny sleeve in front of it. It's up to you. Zach Greinke and Jacoby Jones. Tigers. Tigers, AL Central. Grocery Stick. David Price. Andrew Benintendi, Dexter Fowler, Orlando Arcia, I can get you 5-day if you want to 5-day it. Starlin Marte, Donnie Hart for the O's. You do 5-day, 10-day, 15-day. Robinson Cano. Donnie Hart O's, AL East. Pont Hisashi. Tanaka, Will Myers, Gary Sanchez, Bryce Harper. Bellinger rookie. Two packs to go. It's all right now. Robinson Cano, Matt Carpenter, and Sean Newcomb for the Braves. Refractor autograph. NL East. That is Berlin. 126 of 499. Mario. Jake Arrieta, Porcello, Lucas Giolito, and our negative is Alex Reyes. Cardinals, NL Central, Homarv. That was the break. Nice little Seager.